G'day, MacDaddy, camper trailing, and we are in Kalbarri National Park in Western Australia, and we're going to look at the Kalbarri Skywalks. It's just me, the wife and the brother, because Tubby's headed back to Adelaide, so we're now journeying northward alone. You see here the Aboriginal and English names of some of the animals that used to be in this area. The Kalbarri Skywalk, known by its Nanda name, Yatka, Walk to the Sky, is one of West Australia's most spectacular attractions. It's located in the inland section of the Kalbarri National Park. The twin cantilevered platforms extend 25 metres and 17 metres beyond the edge of the Murchison River Gorge, suspended more than 100 metres above the river below. The landscape paths make it easy for all to access the Kalbarri Skywalks. The skywalks seem to be very well constructed and are very sturdy. The skywalks give you a great view of the Kalbarri National Park and the Murchison River that flows through it. The fully accessible sealed pathways are suitable for wheelchairs, prams and visitors of all abilities. This cafe is adjacent to the Skywalk precinct and serves coffee, meals and snacks. Numerous information boards were throughout the Skywalk area, and they covered things like pictures and bronze models of the ancient sea life that was in the area, and also an information boards showing the geological structure of this area. The Kalbarri Skywalk is often described as a place where you can quite literally feel as though you're floating above one of Australia's oldest landscapes. A perfect combination of engineering, culture and natural beauty. These information boards show how the Kalbarri Skywalk was constructed. In the following parts of the video you'll see more of the bronze animals. You'll also see a panoramic view of the gorge, and later on there are information boards on Aboriginal culture in the area. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see the Nature's Window video, just click on the card shown. Thank you.